Shipateva, Hallelujah.
We would like to welcome Shedrick Mills come up on stage to support our future City Council, Paula Yang.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shedrick Mills. I'm a private citizen, and I reside in District 5. I've been very excited. I've been very excited since I met Paula Yang, and I listened to her message. She has several messages, but the one that excites me the most was her energy and how she relayed to me that she will be an advocate for children, but most specifically for young ladies. I also got excited because I do have a young daughter when she used the word girl power. Girl power is very, very important. It shows and resembles the change that is going to come to City Hall. I'm excited for Paula. I'm excited for Paula becoming the next City Councilwoman because of her experiences being an advocate and being a leader. Ladies and gentlemen, what I have in my hand right here is a registration form. What I'm going to do as a private citizen is I have also 3 adult children and many others that reside in District 5 who are registered. Me as a private citizen alone, it's my job to help Paula with voters that are registered, make sure they go to the polls in the general election as one person to get 5 or 10 people to actually go vote in District 5 for Paula. I'm hoping the community come together. If we all can do that in District 5, it assures Paula a win in, as I forget, as someone else said, not only October, but November. The ballot in my hand, if anyone, these young ladies are sitting in the front of the registration form to vote. There are young ladies that are sitting in the front, they have these available. I would encourage everyone to get registered with family members over the age of 18. With these forms, make sure your family members do know at the bottom of it, you tear off and save your receipt. Very, very, very important to save your receipt. That way, your vote and your registration does count, and no one can say you never did register to vote. So again, very excited, not only for a change, but for City Hall to go in a new and different direction. Thank you, everyone.
This time, I would like to have Chris Contreras come up on stage, introduce Paula's head to toe.
My name is Chris, and I got involved with Paula when a friend asked me if I could help her with her campaign. He said they were vandalizing her signs, they were putting markers on her face. The landowners were calling her, they're asking her to take down her signs because they didn't want her to win. So I said, that's because they're afraid of you, Paula. She's 163 votes behind. I know 163 people today. Mark, my friend Mark, and I served over 1,000 people today. His family has served every weekend 5,000 people. We all can help her vote. This isn't about Paula Yang. This is about all of us. This is the Poor People's Campaign. When they're not listening to us, we got to send someone that we can talk to. They don't want her at City Hall. They say she doesn't know how to run City Hall. Well, it's about time that someone goes up there to run City Hall the way we want it to be run, not the way they want it to be run. I don't know if you're rich, I don't know if you're poor, it really doesn't matter. There's some envelopes in your table. Fill them out. Give whatever you can contribute. Chavez spent over $60,000. He had 6 years to do something. Paula did it in 40 days with borrowing money from people. She borrowed $20 yesterday from me. So I know this is the Poor People's Campaign. So if you don't do it for you, do it for your children. Do it for the little kids. Raise them to be like Paula. Let's send Paula up there to make a change. So when we want to welcome Paula, this side of the table, you say Paula, you say Yang. Ready? Paula! Yeah! Paula! Yeah! Paula! Yeah! Paula! Yeah! Paula! Yeah! Paula, come on up here. Give us some wisdom.
That's what we like. We have a lot of energy because we want change. Thank you so much to Chris and my good old friend Mark. Mark, stand up. I don't know where you are right now. But Mark, they brought in a lot of food for donation, and I wanted to thank when they check out those people that feed us. We work hard. We need food to keep us going. So Mark, thank you. And then big don't go to your donation. Go to more to support on our day. They didn't know we don't do that. That's she not day. Go ahead and just because you see that all the seats are not filled does not mean we don't have support. We have support because I win the primary election. So let's give it up to all of you guys. We are not afraid because we have a lot of people that want change. And we're not about politics. We are about people, and especially right now, all people, we need to come together. We have an individual that is pushing immigration to separate families and children, and that is the most valuable thing. Tonight we opened up our Pledge Allegiance. I brought the children in. These children were not staged. They follow us, they walk with us. The little Nathan, the little Selena there, they all walk with us every single day. They come here and they set up tables. Dia's boys come up and set up the stage. It's all about family. It's not about corporate sponsor. You don't want to vote for somebody that goes out there and asks corporate America, give me $50,000 so that I can run for city council. And I'm not going to do nothing for the people. They look great with their three-piece suits and have a lot of lunch. They eat a lot of ice cream. What are they doing for you? So do not follow the people that say vote for this person. Because we've seen his work for 6 years, nothing. I drive around Clovis Avenue, Kings Canyon Avenue. I'm not even talking nothing. And every day when I drive down the road, my tires seems like they're gonna fall off. And then what it is, I thought maybe my car, but it's the road that has not been fixed. So if that's one thing that we can do, we're really making one change. I get so excited because I live in this district for so long. Somebody doesn't even know. He said, oh, you know, she just moved there. Lordy Lord, look at the Hmong history. 1982, we were here in Fresno. I was here in 1986 working in Fresno, going to college and still volunteering at work. Help the Hmong community in so many ways that I want to, because we're taking our people from one level to the next level. And I'm proud to do that, but I see that a lot of politicians come into our community to buy our votes, to be friend and eat pho. And they say they're our friend. They're no friend, they just want to come and eat and have a big old stomach. That's not a friend. A friend is somebody that picks up a call at 1 o'clock in the morning. A friend is when somebody got shot and is out there. A friend is somebody that the kids got incarcerated and they're there to help the family. A friend is somebody that a woman and a child got burned, got murdered, and they were there. That's a leader. And I'm saying that today because some people out there think that, oh, I'm not good enough. No, I am great because I've seen those tragedies in our community, from Hmong family to the Punjabi community to the Hispanic community. Drunk driving, they don't care. It's in the news with another, I'm sorry to say, but if a white person gets shot or hurt, the whole media is there. But a little kid of the minority, a Hmong or a little Hispanic boy or Punjabi elder died, nobody says anything. Are we tired of that or not? 你放假些天，看到我些通道里，侬拿一人听多的拿，哎，你好，这阿不接，了海里讲到你了 ，brace your heart, do not believe. Most people, 90% of the people believe rumors. They like gossip stories rather than see the truth and hear the truth. I'm living proof of what I do here, and I love to serve our people, all colors, men and women. If you call me today and ask me for your support and help to help you, I drop everything and get there. I leave my children behind. But you know what? I want to continue to do that for us because it takes somebody with guts, somebody with heart to make that happen. When General Vang Pao, the great leader in our community, was arrested, so many people with prestige, title, money, and the closest to General Vang Pao's family did not even appear to stand up. I stood up because my father served with General Vang Pao. And all the veterans that came to America, they sacrificed everything. How could you sit at home and think that, oh, it's not me, it's just Hmong people. Hmong is still you. Just because it's a Vang or a Yang, we still Hmong. Those leaders never stood up. Mr. Bahag is right over here, to George, to Nelson, and so many leaders, Cynthia, you guys stood up. We all stood up and we fought for General Vang Pao. But for the Hmong people, General Vang Pao is the tree to all of us. So I fought to make sure that we have the case dismissed, and it was dismissed because all of us coming together. And you know, if we don't come together, there's going to be more prejudices, racism in our community as you see today. The whole nation is crying and hurting because there's some person with evil hearts. They don't have a heart, and they want to break up your family. I don't want nobody to come and take your family member away from you because they're not documented in America. So if you are afraid, you need to align yourself with somebody that would speak for you and will fight for you. That's the person you want to be with. Don't be with somebody who shows a lot of money, somebody that just want to come and do a show, or somebody that talks negative allegations towards another person. I am so thankful that each of you guys voted for me and put me in the primary election so that we are going to go to the general election. But I cannot do that without all of you. And today, this whole event happened. Those of you here tonight and the ones at home, they say, oh, nobody showed up. No, we have a lot of people. But it's very hot. People are on vacation, and they still donate tables and support. So all of us sitting here tonight, we are sold out event. It's just so very hot, and I want to thank you for being here for me. All the volunteers, please stand up from Paula Yang's campaign. Me, George, Mike, C, Cynthia Nelson, Nhiệt Giống Ngập Thiên, Lìa Thiên, Tu Jay Thiên, yes, Tu Jay Thiên, Bà Hơ Thiên, Tristan, all Auntie Liddy, all of these people, they work day and night. Uncle B, you guys stand up. These are the people, Pastor Carter, Chris, Mark, we all work very, very hard because we want to make change that is going to benefit you. Don't be afraid, guys. Don't say say that it's them. When we make change, it benefits all of us. Even the ones who do not support us, we're still gonna make that change, and it's gonna benefit them, their mom and dad. The last thing I want to say is that our children is our future leader. Please, all the parents, we all have it. Support your children. Support somebody like me. I am a young professional. I want to make change for you. And only you can vote and support me in this general election. Your daughter, your niece, one of your child will be standing in my shoe and gonna run for office, and we will support. So don't think that, oh, you know, it's only for her. But remember, you have children too, especially to our minority community. If we don't support our own, and you want somebody else to make decisions for you, like today, look at who's making decisions for us today. They're separating our children, little babies, to husbands and wives, mom and dad. We are so lucky that we have each other. We can sit here and eat dinner together. But there's somebody today that is crying. There's children that cannot see their mom and dad. If Donald Trump let somebody take his baby, I will tell you, he would declare war, nuclear war in America. So if you guys are not hurting when you see the TV, then something is wrong with you. I hurt watching that TV and I shut it off for this entire week. I cannot watch the news no more. So I'm asking you today that you guys align with me. Comes November 6th, please get together with your children who is over 18 and vote. We have the ladies, can you guys stand up? They're out there sitting by the door. They are here to register people so that you will have the right to vote, to make decisions for this nation. So please go out there. If you're not registered to vote, register yourself. Take some forms home and tell your adult children to register so they can vote, especially our minority community. If you guys would do that, you are doing something to benefit your family and the future. Don't sit here and live life sleeping and not realize that people are making decisions to eliminate us. Does that make sense? Yes. I'm so excited. I can tell you all from my heart, but I know that you guys have been here with me all afternoon and this evening. We are going to have a good time. Smile, everybody, smile. We're going to have a good time, even we have a small group tonight. We're going to put on the music and we're going to dance it off. And you all know me, I play hard and I work hard because I believe that when you're happy and you're smiling, you're beautiful all over and everything can be great. So let's join Paula Yang for City Council District number 5. Can we all stand up? There we go. Okay. See, this is what I like to see. But one thing I will tell you, the reason why we're so quiet is that Hmong people in our minority community are so humble. We're such good people in the heart that we are not disruptive. So I want to thank you in allowing me to be here tonight with all of you. And the next time that you see us on Facebook, look us up on Facebook so that we can be friends. If you see something you like, please like it, post it. Let's beat the system. And let's put Paula Yang in District number 5 so we can make change for all people. Thank you so much.
Okay, 但是呢，别都考虑考虑路的那年代，别有一考一天多么，也到维他你叫考虑考这点，别比培训多不拉是呢。Okay.
March.
you may be seated.
动作呢，要来做些，然后录做鼓跑啦，他摸被土鼓起包啦，但是我做咩被主操里头，被操他的盆啊，我做咩头他的盆，แต่ไม่จอไม่สาร鼓起包，鼓到后路到一路里，鼓不里到家，要比摸沙表演嘛输了，嘛过来咯，头个鼓被人有什么，鼓头 introduce to next MC 要。 xây dựng có sở hữu nó lưu replace của bên thảo quốc tế sẽ to
Ok, kami syukur buat ini dalam dunia seni jasa. Lewat itu yang seri kuno, jom hari lah. Okay, semua sampai lah man. Yeah, I really thank you for all the sponsor, the supporter for Paula Yang. Thank you for being tonight to support my sister Paula Yang. Ôi cho năm đầu là mẹ cho nên số tu cho sponsor, giáo tôi tham gia mà nó nè, giờ cứ rong bớt cái hạt đào rồi, giờ cứ chỉ chạy chém của hạt đào rồi, cho họ làm một tờ bây giờ giờ một cái là gì rồi, tất chỉ của hai đứa con nó bỏ là, của sao là cho nên cái món của tôi phụ giữ rồi chẳng là có giờ tụ city council nó bố trí nhớ đồ của fresh đó nè, thì tại bên ngôi nhà phong gì mẹ nhà phong gì khi là photo support bé, họ nó cũng cho xa, họ bây giờ mong cứ mong nó cứ ta chỉ tôn để nó là bao nhiêu bao cái là 但是你看他不蒙给给了么，还在给他去考了么呢？แต่么หรือลูกพันธุ์ก็不蒙了，但是这里讲了关于帮 support ก็มองลง来，我叫人到，我想想过去主动认识 ，OK， 你们是，我叫他人基本点了，我这边也给了解，是 OK。我这边我这有要他先看那个也读了，么的一张高，làm vòng giải cho phó là tiếp phó là từ chỉ gọi là một cho thằng bây giờ bao nhiêu món lâu kia là chuyện về biết cứ ý nú phó là cái là cứ to bên nú làm thế để biết là nó lâu xưa kia là gì cái biết không kia nhiều xưa là học ra một thế này to chơi này là thế to chơi cho xưa cả
tới giờ nhau mà tôi thì chuẩn đầu ý cho và bao ta đây là khi lý ở sư là mà mỗi trong mấy sự nhập test cho nó cho một trò với cho cứ tin là cho bây giờ nó tao chế cho trong này lúc cuối luôn thứ trò bây giờ vô trò cả để còn là khó bây giờ mấy sự mà bây giờ pass cho một trò với cả bây giờ nhau district G để từ sở xin đuổi nó thứ nhất đó là cả vô chủ tập tôi được rồi còn là giờ đi khó cái sơ chế là từ lúc tôi thêm bây giờ phải nhằm bán cho thiên cho bây giờ cũng chia trong này nhớ được sân ra để cho nhiều chia mà nó bắt hành cái nó bắt hành cái nó bây giờ lùi đi everything rồi thì có giờ họ bây giờ qua cái tàu này tôi sẽ dễ thiên đây là ở trên đó cũng có thoát gì thì còn là lông gạo thì phải cũng chuyên ra cái gì tôi thì cũng sẽ hay tiền tận đây là cái nhảy và sinh cho chơi lên từ là lông tàu với dạng còn cái này phải chuyên làm cái gì tôi thì thoát gì để nó sẽ chỉ là cũng đi này mà cũng mà cũng chỉ lông gạo và cho một tụi thầy thì sẽ chỉ mà nó họ chỉ một tụi thầy là cũng là chỉ thoát gì để nó sẽ để giả chỉ tôi được cũng này để thoát gì có chỗ nào
OK shake hand là cũng ba chiếc tàu nhỏ tất nhiên là cũng chỉ mấy đại anh chân giả hay là mong nói những từ là tụi nào lắm á cũng chúng một shake hand thì được quan điểm sẽ là mẹ theo pi xiêu đó pi xiêu của nhau họ nói theo mẹ
chỉ có ai cũng không được trả đấy thì ta chỉ sợ lý trả lo xí phòng nào là cái hai đứa con thì sợ chỉ không có là bây giờ lo gì rồi nè我不要这些的到底，各要一度半年我本是差不多的被调来地方嘛，各种些很高，可以都搞着被成才多嘛，只要那些报道那个一度半年我们本是差不多不报了，好的各种么样子的哎，如何去报？俺红高的家里给，有这样子呀，到底厉啥？từ friend nó thì có tôi à, những hạt tiền tôi kẹp bên mà đi làm một phần, là các làm một cái là gì? Tức là mình đã hoa tiền tụi mình hoa chỉ, còn là tôi tiền trên cuối chỉ bỏ các muốn cơ thể sao ra đi cả đây. Giờ như này tao cũng muốn check cái tiền nó sẽ được play vào tao ấy, còn là gì vậy?
OK， 你是不是不停地都跑哪个去？เขาเกี่ยวกับเป็นกำแพงของเราใช่ไหมเป็นชิ้นส่วนของก็สโลแต่ก็ข้อเสียนี่มาเรานะมีแต่เป็นรองเสียที่เป็นโอกาสเป็นยิ่งซึ่งมันจะเป็นชิ้นๆยอดซึ่งอย่างนั้น有我ดิสโก้ฮะตอนที่เราทำ有จังหวะนั้นที่เราเอายกเกียรติการเอาโอเคจังหวะทำใจฮะJohn này xong mà một chuyện thì cái chỉ số đằng đó họ kiểu là điểm gì đó một chuyện này là béo một chuyện này là ok ok đó là một bé một lần nữa ok
他这边开始，我在直播那个网了。哎，这必须他这里呀，他这里是啊，我这里，我这里来，好多干嘛不好毕业的。All right, welcome to everyone.
必须人家录的叫米干了，比木好晒下来比我才吃。哎呀，别人家录了，我还有我还人家录是来了，我还录了。比较给你讲梦，当地的客户要录的叫米干了到，老就比如上录的叫米干，还录的叫。到老就比上我比较梦。cho tu cho kỹ cô tu lu cho nó lúc đi chơi nó mảng lê sưu mong ru ở chỗ này lúc đi chơi nó ship từ quân nụ một chữ đủ xe mình làm bị sinh càng đó kia hào nhớ rồi của lu trồng ở dù nhớ ở mà trong này hào bên một ít chủ tu mong một nhớ rồi thì Fresno City Hall từ giờ long xong mà bên sự từ cũng long sang cơ必须得去翻去测，种对嘞，我找你到路家到路种的，我觉得我不老取消，但是他们了，像我被毛和毛跟那毛跑来样，也被一顿菜毛，种沙你到路住路去丢有路在一路种我路只要路是的好。mà cô mua tàu trắng tàu giả mua kiện cho nhỏ tàu giả hết á tại vì cú hạt nu nó cú to hạt nó mà cú hạt ta bây giờ mua ít giờ nhỏ mua nọ mua chữ nhỏ mua tủ cho giờ nó bây giờ mua tụi nhỏ bao nhiêu tờ phẳng nhỏ hồi lúc Fresno mua cầu bao phẳng tờ tụi nhỏ đồ lưu district thì cô dùng sao cái ta mua ít tụi sai mông有梦许多很多了的，有阿塞没说过头，有梦帮爸着呢，也没去干帮爸没去干操，的一直到呢，原来孬了嘛，我他过后就比较忙也叫个真走，还能真走嘞，也比我一度多动菜的有梦我弄去嘛，有阿塞单朝有叫梦都没去办，嘛菜有到呢。我要他的被继续办有真正的病梦是那的有知道，这被一直叫老可叫老他，要来一度老，那你抓必须得接，嘛被到他一度都叫晒多梦很多梦他有哪有子个不了，莫路子路很多。phòng cỏ cho cỏ dù cho mình nhớ tàu nọ tàu chứ chẳng cha từ vang từ phía một nhà một gia ta chỉ chú kế cái ôn của chuyến lúc đi chơi nó mà đi chơi hả ta có hai lưu sẽ tàu nữa nếu yếu áp sai cho cứ tin đi trang bằng nhà giả bằng chủ gì ha cho cả luôn về sai nữa luôn mà sát tàu chỉ ở hai lũ tàu nữa mà họ nói yếu nhẹ nhàng rồi suốt là cú pin bao tàu tại bây giờ chỉ bằng khắp ít tụt tôi này từ但是sai cho lúc này nhà tàu tên nó bây giờ tàu bây giờ tàu bi của giờ tàu bây giờ mong lúc xa lúc trừ mà được sợ được hay nền lúc xa lúc trừ ra để thầu biết chỉ xin bán lỡ rồi để lửa lúc có tụt ký có cho cứ đi ít tu vô mong từ lúc đi chữ là chế lửa bán lửa bờ vô chỉ thơ vô chỉ bán hết nền chế bên mong vô chỉ tàu nào tàu chữ nè giờ lên nó rồi mà cũng sao là dù chạy dù nhung cái bây giờ tàu bi của giờ có sát chạy có sỉnh có sát chạy có bắt cặp bờ bên mong giờ to luôn chỉ nhờ bây giờ tàu luôn suy cục tệ thật ta để thằng tôi nhà ta nhớ là họ lại giang rồi biết chuyện tôi chỉ bắt tàu lại rồi núi mi cho mi nhô giờ cho cái lũ ô nọ ô chứ để mi giờ áp sai cứ tin đi chơi giờ áp sai băng rồi tô mông chơi mà thằng này tàu nữa mà họ đó sẽ lên ta trên bây giờ tàu suy chơi thầu bi nó bi nhiều một bi ô nó chứ nó bi nó suy chơi thật ta cha lấy yếu tàu một ít khó cao rong rồi bây giờ mình yếu tàu cỡ ta ô thầu cái bây giờ mong mà yếu một con hổ chứ mà